Fear has a way of getting into the heart without asking for permission. It comes when life shifts in ways we did not plan. It shows up when we feel unworthy, unsure, or unseen. Isaiah 43 verse 1 speaks into that fear with a voice that is gentle and firm at the same time. The hymn says, "Fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name." These words were first spoken to Israel during a season of trouble. Yet the meaning still reaches us today with the same strength and care. When God says fear not, He is not ignoring the reality of fear. He knows the things that shake us. He knows the questions that hide behind our bold faces. He knows how easy it is to listen to the wrong voice and think we are alone. His command to fear not is backed by two reasons. The first is redemption. The second is identity. God says He redeemed you. That means He paid the cost to bring you back to Himself. In their day, redemption meant freedom from bondage. It meant the end of shame and the start of belonging. When God says He redeemed you, He means your life is not owned by fear, guilt, or failure. You belong to Him. The second reason He gives is even more personal. I have called thee by thy name. This shows the kind of relationship He wants with you. God does not speak to you as a stranger. He calls you in a way that reaches the deepest part of who you are. Names in Scripture carried weight. They pointed to purpose, history, value, and future. When God calls you by name, He reminds you that you are seen and known. Even the parts you hide are not hidden from Him. Fear often grows when we forget who we are. It grows when we think our mistakes define us. It grows when we feel lost or unsure of where life is heading. Isaiah 43 pulls us back to what is true. You are redeemed, and you are known by name. That truth does not remove hard seasons, but it changes how you move through them. Instead of walking in panic, you walk with a steady assurance that God goes with you. In the very next verse, God says that when you pass through waters and fire, you will not be destroyed. This does not deny pain. It promises presence. In practical life, this verse helps you breathe again. When fear rises, you do not need to build your strength alone. You can say, God calls me by name. When shame tries to speak louder, you can say, I am redeemed. When your future feels unclear, you can rest in knowing He walks ahead of you. Psalm 139 says He knows your thoughts from far away. John 10 says He calls His sheep by name and leads them. These verses show the same pattern. You are not just another face in the crowd. Let this promise slow your heartbeat today. Let it remind you that fear is loud, but God's voice is steady. You are redeemed. You are known. You are called by name. And you do not face life alone.